What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now, in case you're new to the channel, right behind me are 5 of my other cars. We've got my 2021 50, my 2018 F30, my 2007 E90, my 2016 Audi B8.5, and my detailing van. But today's video is about none of those, because if we go over into my garage, you'll see my new to me 2007 E92 335. Now, it looks pretty basic right now, but that is all gonna change today, because today we're starting the journey of building the baddest E92 335 on YouTube. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long this build is going to take, but I know for a fact it's not going to be done in today's video, but we do have lots of parts to put on. I'm sure we're going to go through tons of different parts and swap some out throughout this process. I'd also like to mention that I'm not sponsored, so all of my money goes into every car I have, including this one. So realistically, with what I want to do to this thing, it's probably going to be like a 6 months to a year process. But with all that being said, why don't I go ahead and show you what's already done to this thing? So starting off in the engine bay, we've got pretty much brand new turbos along with some relocated cold air intakes. We've got a VRSF catless downpipe and charge pipe, 2-inch ARM outlets, upgraded oil cooler and external wastegates. It's got an MHD stage 1 tune. We've got a VRSF 7.5-inch intercooler and a VRSF catback exhaust. Now, I'm sure I'm missing some things here and there, but I'm pretty sure that's most of the engine bay components. Now, for the exterior, we've got these gloss black M Sport grills along with the AFE intake scoops. Got the powder coated 230 style BMW rims. Now, I'm gonna need your guys' help to comment down below some good wheel options, because I hate these. We're obviously not keeping them. I need you guys to give me some heaters in the comments. We've got the all black sequential side markers. On the inside, we've got the M Sport steering wheel with the paddles, and my favorite part, the black headliner. Also have these stupid door jamb lights. I don't know who put those on, but that's the worst thing I've ever seen. So as you can see, this thing is seriously lacking cosmetics, so that's probably gonna be the main focus of today. Also, something else we need to fix, we've got this Dubai filter mirror. Like, what is that? I've legit never seen that before. That is the worst thing I've ever seen. That's worse than the door jamb. Now, for our first two mods, we're gonna be starting with the rear end of the car. We're gonna need to run to my detailing van for some degreaser. I don't normally keep my keys in my toolbox, don't judge me. It's like 35 degrees out and it's legit cooking in this van, bro. Now, our first two mods are going to be a trunk wing and a roof spoiler. Super easy mods, but I still got to lay the tape on the trunk wing, so let's do that. Hey, we got our tape down. Let's throw these puppies on. Yo, I don't know if I like this or not, bro. This is low-key mad tall. Dude, I ordered the M4 style high kick, and that is not what I thought they meant by high kick, bro. Let me show you, because I ordered like the same one for my Audi. Like, that's what I thought high kick was, bro. This looks good. This is like one of my favorite wings that I have on my cars, other than the Mustang. Dog, I gotta measure this, bro. This thing is so tall. Dude, I just measured, it's 4.5 inches, and it's the biggest thing I've ever seen, you know what I'm saying? So... Okay, so we just finished up with those two mods, and the side profile actually goes crazy now. I'm actually pretty stoked on both of these. The rear profile is kind of tough too, bro. I'm sure a bunch of people are going to be wondering why I didn't do carbon for these two pieces here. And honestly, I don't want there to be too much carbon. We're going to do a carbon GTS wing. We're going to have a forged carbon front lip. It's going to be sick. Just wait till you see it. Already got carbon mirrors, and we're going to do carbon kidney grills too, I think. Plus all the carbon I'm sure I'm bound to add on the inside. I just don't want to overdo it. I think black looks good, so I'll probably leave it for now. Maybe not. Maybe I'll decide down the road that I do want carbon, and then we'll do it. Who knows? Okay, so we took a break, but let's get into the next mod. Before we get into that, I need everybody to hit subscribe. We're getting so close to 5,000 subscribers, which is crazy because I started this 4 months ago. Really trying to push for 10,000 by the end of the year. And I'm gonna be giving away this e-scooter and this e-bike to one of you guys. They're both brand new, never been used, valued at about $3,000 altogether. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button right now. We post all the time. Now for our next mod, we've got these beautiful carbon fiber mirrors. The M Sport mirrors are a must on BMWs. So these are the current mirrors, and these are legit horrendous, bro. So we're gonna swap those out right now. so we got the old ones off. This is like one of the easiest mods you can do. But check out the difference between these two units here, bro. These are way nicer, obviously. So we finally got them on, and it's crazy how big of a difference such a small mod can make. I mean, that just looks so much more aggressive already, bro. Now, next up, we're actually gonna jump to the inside because we've got ourselves an interior mod, and we're actually gonna be swapping out this gear shift for the retrofit carbon fiber F30 edition. This thing is just so much cleaner to look at. Look at the difference. Although I do like the black. Now, the worst part about this install is pulling this thing out because I've smacked myself many times doing that. And just like that, 10 minutes later, we are all done, and this thing looks great. Look at that. And for any of you who are unfamiliar with the F30 shift knob to pull in gear, you just press this button and pull back, and then park is at the top. Honestly, such a dope mod, bro. It's like, I think it was like 90 bucks or something. And it definitely gives the car a way more modern look on the inside. I don't know if I plugged in one of the wires backwards, but it says I'm in drive. I'm obviously in park. Well, that's kind of strange. I wonder if I'm still supposed to use that display, or if now you use the one on the actual shifter. I don't know. I'm gonna take it for a drive, make sure it doesn't do anything weird with that light. I don't know why it would, but I think I'm just gonna forget about it for now, to be honest. Now, there's actually one more mod that we still have to do, and it's the most important one. And it's somewhere on this couch here. There it is. Got that fresh Taylor's Garage sticker, baby. So let's go slap this thing on, you heard? The freaking E got messed up, bro. Are you kidding me? This video is just not going my way, bro. This is so tough, actually. Now, unfortunately, most of the stuff I ordered isn't going to be here by the time I post this video, which really sucks because I was super stoked to install it. We're going to have a Keys Automotive front bumper cover, along with a Nelson Racing Wheel forged carbon front lip. I did end up ordering some new wheels for this thing already. Like I already mentioned, we're going to be doing the carbon GTS wing. Got some carbon front kidney grills coming, and a bunch more that you guys should get excited for. But unfortunately, none of that will be here today, so just keep a lookout. Stay tuned for more videos, because all those should be here within a month or so, and this thing is gonna look crazy. I also plan on doing red guts if I can ever find some on Facebook. Such a must-have interior upgrade, bro. I hate black interior. But with that being said, I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. Unfortunately, I just don't have any more mods. I wish I did, but I don't. So if you stay till the end, comment some mods you wanna see done to this thing down below. I'm open to so many ideas. We're gonna make this thing so sick, bro. I'm stoked. Also, I forgot to mention, but I do wanna wrap this car, so if you could leave some comments down below on what color I should do for this thing. I'm thinking like a sick Miami blue or something. I'll show you a picture of one I found on the internet that I love. Like, that thing actually just looks so sick, bro. The color's so good. It's got the GTS wing like we're gonna have. The only thing is I might have to keep the interior black, because red interior with that color is probably not gonna work, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, everybody like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.